What are we gonna do with this?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
So you're gonna put it up your kitchen.
No, I mean, what are we doing with this? Oh, I know what I'm doing with this. Do I start now? Look, Chris, I got a present. My garden box. Let's see what going on. A gift for you. I'm such a nice person. Oh, how nice. Alright, let's see what we got here. Trophy mounting. Oh, we got a Staghorn Fern. How do you say this? Platycerium bifurcatum, Netherlands. Staghorn Fern. Mounting. That's gonna be cool. Alright, let's see. So we got burlap, we got Staghorn Fern plant, we got spray bottle, looks like Spanish moss and maybe some fertilizer. Got a box. Oh, we got the wood that we're gonna be mounting it on. Very nice. And what's in here? Oh, okay, all the tools we need. We got the hammer and what is this thing called? I don't even know. I call it the teeth to hang it on the wall. And then these little tack things. So let's see how we do this here. Oh my gosh. Chris is making me do this by myself. Okay, instructions. That's what we need. Staghorn mounting instructions. Okay, first I'm gonna do this first. The sawtooth hanger. Probably the good idea to do that first. So let's see. Orient sawtooth. Am I supposed to be talking the whole time? Alright. Saw teeth facing down. Eyeball or use ruler. I don't have a ruler. Hammer into wood to secure. Here's my... Which side of the hammer do I use? I don't even know. Okay. I'll use the black side. Let's see if that works. Oh wait, no. Maybe the yellow side. Okay. Okay. So hopefully I did that right. Hammer into wood, eyeball, okay, facing down, all right. Okay, so there we go. It's in, hopefully it's straight and it won't be crooked. Next, instructions say to take the plant, pull from the base of the leaves to remove from pot. Allow loose soil to fall away. So let's see here. Hopefully I'm doing this right. It says to pull the bit from the base leaves, remove from pot, allow some, oh shoot. Now we need the Spanish moss, which is in here. Spread Spanish moss thinly enough to wrap around the root ball. Like this? No one's helping me with this, and I think it's gonna look terrible. Okay, hold on. Well, I'll pull some. I'm making a huge mess. Alright. The cafeteria people are gonna hate me. Then place plant on cypress plank, angling the leaves slightly away from the wood. So like this, okay? Wrap burlap around the roots in a diamond shape. Okay, this is more complicated than I thought it would be. Maybe that's why Chris wants to put this on video. Let's see, so there's a diamond shape, right? No? It's a triangle shape? Okay. I don't know, it looks like a triangle on here. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's roll the dice. Hold on. But I think it would be better if it was more like this. There we go. Right? Let's see. Wrap burlap around the roots of the diamonds, tucking the top and sides under. This. When folding burlap, use mounting tacks to hold in place, not hammering it in. Okay. Let's see here. What's this stuff? I don't even know if that's like. All right. Okay. Don't hammer them in. Gosh, this person who's on here, who's doing this, is doing it way better than me. Okay. But think of the sense of accomplishment I will have when I'm done with this. Okay. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna tuck this a little bit more. You know what would be tragic if after I do this and I lift it up, it falls through. That would be tragic. Okay, hold on. I want to cover up the name of the plant, which is branded on the cypress plank. Okay. A YouTuber, how to do it, I am not. I will never make it as a YouTuber. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, shit. One more. Okay. Okay. Hold in place. Do not hammer in. Once the burlap is shaped the way you like, hammer the tacks in. They're using the black end. I'm gonna use the black end. Oh shoot. Oh! This is like a blooper reel YouTube. How to... Okay, hold on. Or if Alex Steele was watching this, he would be like, what is this chick? Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't do this right. Okay. Okay, now I gotta do this here. Okay, so how does that look? I think I did okay. Not a lot of swearing, so that was good. It's pretty easy, and it looks so cute. So there you go. There's my little garden box. Only took 10 minutes maybe, and it looks pretty cute, hanging in my kitchen. And then I get to use the fertilizer when it needs it. About an inch toward winter, we reduce plant feeding across the board, and then during the summer you feed it, and then just water it and just spray it. Very nice. What else do I say? That's it. That's it. Voila.